going to make exotic ice apple milkshake. Before going to the video, if you're new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 5 to 6 pieces of ice apple and chop it to small pieces. In a mixer, add 3 glasses of milk. It should be boiled and chilled. To this we are going to add 3 teaspoons of condensed milk and 2 teaspoons sugar. Along with this milk, add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. Grind it for few seconds. Now let's prepare the milkshake. In a glass, let's add the chopped ice apple and pour the milk which we have prepared. Mix it well. On top of this, let's garnish it with little choco chips and a pudina leaf. Now our tasty, yummy, exotic ice apple milkshake is ready. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.